In this video, we are analysing Johnson & Johnson, ticker JNJ. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue weak on the stock, and really just the overall market, because they will kind of move in sync. So if we start to sell off, we do have a support that has already been hit, but is a support to where we are now, and that is around $161.50. It's going to be that closest key support, but really considering we've already hit that, if we come back down to there, it is most likely an indication that we will continue lower, so more than likely we would continue down to at least the 159. If we break that and continue lower, then we are looking at 150 to 155, and final levels at 147/148. So again, some of these levels, maybe the 155, you see a bit far off from where we are now. All we really need to use using these levels is we need to see a break below these levels. For example, the 159, you see a break below it, you come back to retest it, and if that level holds, you see selling pressure kick in. More than likely that selling pressure will continue to at least $155. Now onto the other hand, if you're paying more attention to the resistances, what do we want to pay attention to? And as of right now, our closest resistance is $168, going on to 171, 175, and then final levels taking us to really 177, 180, and a final level at 183. Yes, levels do go past here, but in the near term, we're not going to hit those upper levels, and really even the 180 we may not hit in the near future. But again, all you need to pay attention to with these levels, even to the upside, is if we break this 168, all you want to see is a break above it, come back to retest it as a support. If that level holds, then more than likely you will make it to that next deviation levels, because it shows traders and investors have had time to confirm this level. They're still happy to own it, and more than likely will continue to that next level. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Johnson & Johnson. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.